Hi, I'm Dr. Esther Zachariah. Welcome to another DIY activity. Today, all you'll need is a tennis ball, some rubber bands, either based on your child's skill. It will be a small rubber band, or you could choose a bigger rubber band. So what you would do is you need to hold a ball, open out the rubber band and put it on the ball. You could do it that way, or you could use one of the fingers from the other hand to support it and then go over the ball again. And you can keep doing this many times to strengthen all your intrinsic muscles or the small muscles of your hand. Now, as you can see, you can't particularly see the rubber bands on the ball because they're merging with the background. But if you use something with a contrast, the child will be able to see it better. So you could grade it up or down based on what you need to do. And then after that, you could actually get the child to take out the rubber bands based on which one is on top, because they might get entangled if it's not done the right way. For example, when I'm taking this out, oops, it's tangled because I have other rubber bands that I need to take out first. And once I do that, it's easier to take it out. So it helps a child to plan better and actually look through what they're doing so that they don't get into any tangles. I hope you have fun doing this.